How's it going, everyone? This is LightningDude42 here, and I'm back to do another reaction video. Also, I hope you all had a nice Thanksgiving break. I know I did. Anyways, today's video we're going to be reacting to a awful YouTube poop. It's called The Rat Who Shagged Me. This already has like a lot of views right now. Alpha does not make any more videos, unfortunately, I think, because I think his channel got terminated or something. Anyway, the first frame we see here is Buster kissing Hitler. Yeah, that's a good way to start the video. Sorry, just adjusting the video right now. Alright, gotta love it. Anyways, let's begin. 3, 2, 1, play. What? Arthur, how's your head over there? Jontron. What? Arthur. What kind of day? Francine, when was the last time you brushed your teeth? What the? Dave, what the? What the? Damn, Arthur, where are you right now? Health Inspector. Oh my God, Arthur has diabetes. Mario 64, much? The wonderful kind of day. Oh. Wait, where are you? I don't even know what she was drinking. That's disgusting. Day. Link? Cool. There really are no accidents prevented in Canada. Excuse me, what the hell?
The rat who came to
dinner.
The rat who came to dinner.
I can explain.
No, you can't. Don, the first day.
I was hoping school might be cancelled. I couldn't finish my dumb foodie report. You couldn't finish a
Hey, it's from SpongeBob. The break time.
To write. Besides, where's this dumb rat even?
Probably practicing some serious
Skin tuba.
Skin tuba.
Oh, the no strings attached discussion group?
It's getting kind of late, Mr. Ratburn. Maybe we should go to class.
Oh shit, Alan! I could surf the web all weekend.
Wait, yeah, I'm 18. Show me the what? I have no word for what I just saw.
Pinky, put your shirt on.
Yeah, put your shoes on too.
If I were you, I would take a deep breath, then get my balls out of my anus.
What the? Overkill much?
Sorry, I'm late.
Damn,
Let's
Binky.
jump right into work.
Why I see two
The
Binkies?
storm is getting worse. The building's lost.
Arthur, as you exit, bring the history reading list to the teacher's lounge.
Oh, okay, Mr. Ratburn.
Francie, why were you screwing TW?
What's going on, Mr. Ratburn?
Put some clothes on, please.
Are you having cake?
No, I'm not having cake. What's with the skeleton? Oh God. The N64 controller. Arthur, you're now a toy? Still the first it.
What could be worse than dreaming that your teacher is touching your cock?
Having
What?
your dad touch your thought. Real. Good morning, my fun.
Son.
What's going on? Where's my family?
Third is you.
Oh, he's a serial killer now.
Woof, woof.
Woof woof.
Arthur Ratburn, are you having cake?
Oh. Oh god. Oh. Based on third person Mark Brown. What the hell is going on? What the? Let's see more Hoffman.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Now Arthur gets a chance. If you spell this correctly, Arthur, you are the winner. Spell preparation.
Preparation. A-A-R-D-V-A-R-K.
I'm sorry.
That's aardvark.
Incorrect.
A-A-R-D-V-A-R-K.
Arthur, that's incorrect.
Dude, he says it's incorrect.
Arthur?
Arthur, what are you doing? Why does Muffy have buck teeth?
A-A-R-D-V-A-R-K. A-A-R-D-V-A-R-K.
Seriously, Arthur, you're wrong.
A-A-R-D-V-A-R-K.
But this is a very catchy song. I don't know why I'm... Okay. So this has been The Rat Who Shagged Me by Alpha Fawful. I forgot to mention this is an Arthur YouTube poop. There are also other Arthur YouTube poops that I'm seeing right now. OSC gets taken over by squirrels. I'll probably react to that sometime later in the future. And the Arthur collab. But anyway guys, this has been LightningDude42. I'll see you guys later.